Today, we want to show how the Recon is placed in the ISR rails in the bed of the truck. We will start with the base of the Recon and lift in place into the previously installed ISR bed rails. Use the 4 supplied attaching pins to secure the Recon base to the ISR bed rail. Once the 4 pins have been successfully secured, we will place the center post in to the base and set to the proper height. The correct height for the hitch is such that there is approximately 6 inches of clearance between the top of the truck box and the bottom of the trailer overhang. The Demco Recon has 2.5 inches of adjustment up or down in 1.25 inch increments. Once the proper height has been determined, slide the center post to the right position and pin with the cross pin and tighten the supplied set screw and jam nut as shown in the manual. Lastly, simply place the double pivot head of the Recon on the yoke of the center post and attach using the supplied pin and clip. Once the head is secured to the hitch, recheck all the pins, set the screw and jam nut for proper installation, and you're ready to tow. If you have any questions, please refer to the supplied operator's manual or call Demco at 800-543-3626.